Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something from one of my games that I'm working on. I would also like to apologize for the background noise. I have my dogs and they are fighting each other. I don't know why. Ray is being salty. Anyways, what I'm currently working on is a game called Frosted Memories. It's a visual novel, and this is one of the few recipes that I've currently got from it. It's called Brownies. And as you can see, I'm currently measuring out 225 grams of butter so I can melt it because I forget to do my prep work. I will also like to say, this was the first attempt that I recorded. I recorded a second attempt, but I also kind of didn't know where the tripod was, so I couldn't use that footage. Because it had my face in it and I didn't realize until I went to go edit. So I'm using my old footage from the first video. Okay, we are now measuring 300 grams of granulated sugar, or caster sugar. You can substitute it for light brown sugar if you don't have the caster sugar. It works the same way. I had to do that, but it was more of a 50-50. I also was looking in my community. I did a incorrect quiz poll, but I should have left it go on longer than I did. So only one person actually voted on it. But that does also mean I get to do my incorrect quotes, as I wanted to, instead of doing it on stream. So, I'm going to be making a bunch of incorrect quotes with some of my friends, and we'll be reading them. Oh, the butters came out the microwave. Just stirring it, as you do. And it's going into the sugar. Fun. Oh, we're now stirring it. Gotta make it good. Yeah, I have no actual idea. I know that the vanilla's gonna come in very soon, as well as the eggies, the 4 eggs, one by one, but I don't know which one I'm doing first. It's always fun to find out. Oh, I got pinged somewhere. My D&D session summary. Ooh, vanilla! I reckon that the computer that... I don't think I'm using my notebook. It's all in my notebook, but I also have 3 recipes on my computer. So I'm thinking I have my dad's computer right behind me. I also did just lick vanilla off my fingers. Vanilla tastes good. Unless you're drinking it from the bottle. Don't do that. Doing that then tastes rank. I tried. Yeah, I was looking at the recipe. The laptop's behind me. Sometimes where the red chopping board is, that's where I put the laptop. Ooh, we also have eggs. Cracking it on the counter. Instead of on the bowl. I find it more satisfying that way. And I don't have to listen to myself tapping an egg on the bowl half a dozen times. I also don't know why I start mashing up the egg yolk before mixing the fucking thing into the butter and sugar. I don't know why I do that, but I do. Also, if you're wondering why I keep cutting it after the eggs get cracked, is because I literally go and wash my hands every single time I don't like the egg whites on my fingers. It just feels so icky. So I have to go do that, and it's just annoying. Because I have to do it 4 times because there's 4 eggs, and I just don't do it in one go. As in, crack egg, put egg in bowl, stir. Crack egg. I don't do that on loop. I can't. And that's fine. Oh, if you guys want to know some stuff that's currently going on, because I can do that right now. Essentially, we're still packing the house. I'm doing this voiceover for the 4th of March. A couple of days before this goes up. It's more like a couple of weeks, really. This goes up on the 21st of March. I've been putting this off since fucking February. I don't know when I edited the video. Or when I asked my community. In my Discord server. I don't know. But you guys want voiceovers, so I've gotta do voiceovers. And because of that, I've been putting it off. I have a Blondies video, which I'm going to put off until I move house. So there's not going to be one in April. I don't think. And there's definitely not going to be one in May. Because the one I did record, I wasn't happy with the video itself. Oh, we've changed. Plain flour. It's like 125 grams of all-purpose / plain flour. With 45 grams of cocoa powder. What was I talking about in? Oh, right, yeah. So, I have to pack a house basically by myself right now. And I'm procrastinating on that, which is why I'm actually doing a voiceover on the 4th of March. Instead of packing this massive heavy box that's full of my books and my annuals. They're books, but yeah. I've decided to start packing those because I'm procrastinating on doing the towels in the bathroom. And I'm also procrastinating on sifting through the attic room. Oh, it's the 2 grams of baking powder. I probably did the salt, I weren't looking. I was looking at Audacity where I'm recording this right now. I will also say, my scales don't tell me when I do 1 or 2 grams. Which is fucking hilarious, because I'm just assuming. But it's fine. Another thing I do wish is that I left a sieve out, because oh my god, did I need a sieve at the end, and I didn't have one. So, the stuff that I use, other than that teaspoon and the cocoa powder, I have these little measuring shovels instead of my measuring cups. And, I ended up using one of those for the brownie. And oh my god. It still tasted really good. It just, presentation-wise, it could have been so much better if I had a sieve. Because I first did, this recipe at my nan's. And it was so good. So I thought, well, this worked. I can do this at home. This is the footage from that recording at home. And it went so bad, I just couldn't bring myself to make the video that you're seeing now. Now we're combining the dry and wet ingredients, cool. So I ended up having to record it again, which took me literally 12-15 minutes to do in one take. Because I did the prep work. And because I wasn't using my dad's webcam or my dad's tripod, which was used for this footage, my face was in it, so I couldn't use that footage at all because I was going to do a side-by-side. Which I wished I could do, but obviously I don't like my face on the internet. And it was the windows that were showing it. As well as when I go to the oven. So, yeah. I regret not using the face mask. That would have been fine. But I don't know where the fuck has gone. Because everything's everywhere and it's just a mess. Like, I have a head on the radiator and it's my wig head. The black and white wig. That is messy. I need to brush it. Oh, another thing that's happened in my life. I've cut my hair. It's short. I should have done it professionally, but I didn't, so I need to let my hair grow out of it. Because it's shorter in places than it is long. But I like my hair being short now, and my best friend's schedule, or whatever you want to call him, he hates it. Which is so fucking funny to me. Oh, another thing I will say, if you want to add, like, chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, you can go ahead and do that once both the wet and dry ingredients are combined. That is perfectly fine. I was originally going to do, like, 4 different brownies for a long period of time, where it's just, one's plain, one's dark chocolate, one's milk chocolate, one's white chocolate, or something like that. And I'd asked one of my friends if I should do that, and she went, no, just do plain, and leave it as that. I was like, okay. I'll just eat my chocolate chunks then, or my chocolate chips. Because I had brought those specifically for the video, and I just, my snacks now! So, yeah. Blame her for it. I believe it was the buds doing. So, you know. I can't fully remember if it was the buds doing, because that conversation happened, like, last year, I think. Yeah, it had to have been last year, because that's when I made the first brownie. So, you know. I am so sorry. I woke up like 2 hours ago recording this. And I'm just still so tired. I can't wait to move so I can go back to 3 days a week. And I'm going to be changing my schedule, so it's not going to be a video Monday, a video Wednesday, a video Friday. It's not going to be like that. Well, I might. And I might end up doing 4 videos a week. And have one on Sunday. The only reason why I didn't originally do that is because, like, you'd get essentially 2 videos in a couple of days. My original one was just Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because it'll give people the weekend to go back and watch those videos or watch something else. And just take a break before my content came back. Like, my dad, he posts 10 videos a week on Mullet Plays, and that's now taken over me. Like, we were having a competition because we were stuck on 54 for a while, and then I got to 55 because our competition was to see who gets to 55 first. I did it, and then it went to 56, and he won, and then I was like, okay, well, see you at 60, and he's on 62, and I've not changed from 56. Meaning it's going to take a while for the cookie video that I want to do at 100. As my 100 milestone. So, yeah. But at least by then I should get KitchenAid. So I don't have to do this tedious bit. I can just fill all the ingredients in. Also, I was trying to find out if that tiny ass tray would work. So I would have something to, like, maneuver. But obviously I realized, yeah, it's not the right size. And then I needed a new spatula. And the spatula was in the drawer or in the sink, and if it was in the sink, I had to clean it. I don't remember. I think this is, like, where this footage ends, and then I cut to my new footage really soon. Because I can see the end of my video with my editing done, so I'm watching this whilst doing the voiceover. Oh shit, I forgot to say at the very start to preheat your oven to 175 degrees. Because it's supposed to cook, but 25-30 minutes. I also forgot to mention you probably want to fill the batter, or as I prefer it, as butter. Anyways, bye chat, I'm going. I want lunch.